Many people rely on over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications for pain and inflammation. While these drugs can be effective, they also come with potential risks, especially when used frequently or long-term. There is a natural alternative that deserves more attention: extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats that help improve cholesterol balance. It raises HDL, good cholesterol, while lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, which plays a key role in reducing plaque buildup in the arteries and supporting heart health. It is also packed with antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols. These compounds protect blood vessels from oxidative stress and help prevent damage to the arterial walls that can lead to hardening of the arteries. Another major benefit is its support for endothelial function, the inner lining of blood vessels. Healthy endothelial function helps regulate blood pressure, blood clotting, and overall circulation. What makes extra virgin olive oil especially interesting for inflammation is a compound called oleocanthal. Oleocanthal naturally inhibits inflammatory enzymes in the body, working in a similar pathway to common non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. The difference is that olive oil does this while supporting overall health rather than placing stress on organs. Frequent use of conventional anti-inflammatory medications has been associated with kidney strain and gastrointestinal irritation, affecting the stomach and intestines. This risk can be even higher for individuals with existing kidney issues or those taking multiple medications. Inflammation plays a role in nearly every chronic condition: heart disease, diabetes, joint pain, autoimmune disorders, and more. Managing inflammation gently and consistently can make a meaningful difference over time. Incorporating 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily, either taken directly or added to meals, may offer a supportive food-based approach to reducing inflammation. When possible, using a natural option that works with the body instead of overwhelming it can be a smarter first step. Extra virgin olive oil doesn't just support inflammation, it benefits the heart, arteries, cholesterol levels, immune system, brain, liver, and overall metabolic health. Small daily choices can have powerful long-term effects.